not an easy road for them out here. You're a good boy.
So you say when you come back home, you never feel like go back?
No, sir. No, sir. One time it did scare me still, but after a while, it's nice out there, not to me. Nice. So
It's scared of being quiet?
Yeah. It was scary very quiet. And the thing about it is, you know, when time me I come home, you know. This is something when I planned for 1982 when we go to America, you know. So when I tell me this, I'll cut for America and come home with me yard. Because I see when I say, you make it over there, but then I see the amount of old people that might suffer in another country. Yeah, they scare me. And when you hear some of them who they have good occupation, have good savings, have their house and everything. But after they stop work, hey, you stop working, you know, and you depend on social security and pension, you know. You're in a problem, you know. Because most of them they didn't even buy a house. So they never have no house to pay for. So they're in an apartment, and then when they start get them pension now, it might be alright at the time. But 15 years down the line, here comes trouble because the rent start go up and the pension stay the same.
Yeah.
You see? So what really happens now is that the rent and your living start eating to the pension, and before you know you have to go to Walmart, go pack shelf, you know, you're 68, maybe 70. You ever go to Walmart and you see, we got Walmart already down in a Carlwood man and a rich neighborhood, and this one little white man down there, man, little short white man and then wrinkle. And he might be in there around cash register at the same time. I mean, I say, even if he do a basic job, then he never save his money. And if he save his money gone.
So you have to take back the money?
Yeah. And then the next thing is that when we go America late. Or early too, but we have so much plans in our head that it take away where we should have really focus on.
In which if you build up back home.
Yeah. You know, I say we want to catch up and we want to catch up fast. Because when if we are 22, you know, we decide so when we go to America, one thing we are going to find is to get the money.
So we get lost?
Yes, we get lost. You understand me I say? And even people find them, we after them find them, we again and get lost. You know, because when me I come home, you know, I call on my virgin and tell me, say, me I go to Jamaica, go live, you know. Me I go in and I come back, and I say, where you go? And you say, Africa. He said, nah, man. Me I go to Jamaica. I go back home, go live. And he said to me, say, yeah, man, somebody. And I said, why me I go home, guy? You know. And
what do you think he say, man?
Because, number one, everybody want to run left Jamaica, you know. And when they reach that the country, they feel say then they are heavy. The thing about it is this, the person will decide to be satisfied with very little. Him will just go there and then he turn bomb. Because me see me have must about 4 or 5 because we don't get green card yet and then they over 35 years.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Jamaica did have a whole heap of things.
And some of them did that things. Because some of them did that with anything at the time. 2 cars, at that time ladder run. 2 ladder them have. But I run, so them good. One a taxi and one for them one private vehicle.
And people saw this, and how long have you moved back home in America?
From 2008 we come home and I say, we do matter, I run about 10 years.
And you never feel you go back?
11 years.
Never feel you
The
go back?
only, let me tell you, I gotta be honest with you, the only time when me ever feel to go back, I went like me had a band and then, you know, so we can't get the parts when we want right away from you know, that the part they really bad. But apart from that, no, and then they tell me how America flip. We used to freedom America, you know.
People look on the man house, so this is the man here, the man move back home. And watch it, look how the man I live. Man have everything to his comfort, everything. You see it? See man they plant up in nice flowers all the time. You ever come at this house like clean as whistle. See it? So you man relax.
It just live.
Can't get them a life in a foreign bro.
No, sir.
Now even if you live in Florida.
No, sir.
See there?
No, you have to
So
worry.
man do them. Nice, so people when they think on have a foreign can have it down here. See there?
Man, you know.
Cool breeze every day.
Yeah, man. Too much, man.
So Lambert, like since you come back home, like you do like a farming and anything?
Yeah, well, you know, so we try one time and then we have an American girl that come here with me now. And this side say if I come America, if I come live here with me now. And she come home one time and we about 9 months with me. Like, so we used to plant the carrot and anything and we bring go to the carrot field. And he just called upon me and say, hon, I will do the housework. I don't think my fingers can handle this. So I'm like, what do you mean by it? He said, yo, look at my goddamn fingers. My goddamn fingers is blistered. He said, okay, come. That was it. But she spent some time, but because of sickness, she have to go back, you know.
Okay.
She have a few complications, so she have to. Yeah.
I have no problem with violence for you come home.
No, I never in a trouble. I never have a fist fight with a man out of me come home.
And nobody know about that.
No, nobody about that man.
And you go on road anytime you want.
And you always like me get up. When me come home, you wanna see you? When me I come home and one woman say, I gotta give for you come home. Me like, yo, what's it? What's that? He like, don't worry, I'll bring it for you. Either today or tomorrow, say bring it. And when he bring it in a big bag, a big army bag. And when me looking at it, it's a bulletproof vest. So what can I do with that damn bulletproof vest? I ain't going to war. He said, take it. They're killing a lot of people in Jamaica. You need to go home and get some plexiglass and cut it and slide it and wear it at all time.
And you look like mad one.
I look at me mad. But yeah, man, you better live in trouble, man. Me tell you, man. I started to get sick over there, man. And I believe, honestly, I believe it's the preservative that they put on the food. I believe that was affecting me because I went to I went to doctors, specialists, everything. I couldn't get away from this burning in my chest. And it says acid reflux. Then they put me under the machine and check out my stomach and my intestine and everything, and they say everything is white inside it. I don't understand why. But I tell you what, they give me tablets and they tell me that you have to take one tablet before you eat and one tablet after you eat to suppress the acid reflux.
Yeah.
And let me tell you something. I know I'm coming home, so I went to the doctor and get a whole lot of refill and everything like that. And I come home, I couldn't eat jerk chicken, I couldn't eat pudding, I couldn't eat anything with brown.
All your favorite food.
All my favorite food gone. You know?
Wow.
Can't eat it. Not too sweet.
So what do you do to get rid of that?
Yo, Jamaica, I come home and I take it to the tablet, and I look on it, I take it for about a week. And one day I look on the wood of the tablet and I say, you know what? After me get my body hooked on the tablet, when me ready, me can't support tablet at Jamaica.
Yeah.
But dead, me go dead, you know. I'm taking all of them in the garbage bag and carry them over there, so go choke your span and light them.
Wow.
And so whatever. And I mostly fresh food be eat. Do a lot of cooking. So what happens is that now I start cooking myself. I find out so I can go out in the street and see if it's a barbecue chicken and I try it. Or if it's a jerk chicken, I try it and affect me. So because I gone to a plain white food. Anything in a white, cream sauce, anything. It's alright. Tomato sauce, anything like that, anything with color, I can't handle.
Wow.
So after I start to cook for myself and everything after a while, then I find out that this eventually, one day I get up and I don't have it, I'll be eating up every goddamn thing.
So we are trying to tell the people enough of the money are fine and are sick and they need to come home.
Yeah, man, they need to come home, man. And the thing about this is you gotta arrange. If you, I'm not telling you to pack up yourself and come to Jamaica like that. You know. If you are, because maybe you don't set yourself in the position to come to Jamaica, you have to have your state of mind and you have to have a little asset that you're gonna utilize when you come over here. Because if you come over here with a straight money thing, you're gonna go spending like that. You're gonna get broke. You know. And if you come over here and have a lot of friends, you in problems. That is the main thing. If you have a lot of friends, you're doomed. Might as well you set yourself that when you get broke, you just go back and do a 9 to 5 again. Because let me tell you, if I didn't have friends around me, man, every damn thing would go on to the shop by now. And everybody would be looking at me laughing. You see? That's one of the most dangerous weapons. The gunman is not the weapon in Jamaica when you come home like your friends and your family. If you don't have that good structure around you, man, forget it. I don't have no friends around me.
So it's not about good people around here, you're good?
Yeah.
Because people bring things from here all the time.
Yeah, man. I used to farm on the land and I find out that that's not for me. Shit. I lease the land out and I go there and watch the crop. Lease it with it very not expensive and I let them know in it. You got to give me, each time you reap, you have to give me some food for myself to eat.
Right.
So I go around, sometimes just drive around and watch the farm to see what kind of food they have inside there.
What would that benefit you?
Yes, because if they reap it and don't give me none, trust me, the next time I see them I say, I see you reach sweet potato there, you don't give me none, what's up with that?
Yeah, can you give them the land free?
No, I give them the land at a small discount price. with the agreement that every time they reap food over there, I must get mine.
Oh, that's fair enough.
So I will be always have food.
Yes, yes.
You see what I mean?
And people will still pass through and give up some yam.
Still pass through, and if I want food, I can't order the food because this is a farming land. You get 25 pounds of carrot or 30 pounds of Irish potato, and I just pay them.
So you get like gas also, you have to go by here, you order it, you can order it and drop off?
That's where the grocery store up the block there for.
Okay, but otherwise if they don't have it at the grocery store?
Yeah, you can go to, you can drive down to the grocery store down the block and get it too.
And you can call and order too?
And you can call the man and he bring it right here too. See? 100 pounds or 50 pounds, 35 pounds, whatever you want, you bring it and give it to you.
And you go to the beach a lot?
Yeah, I want here man and the fish village, I go to the beach, the river.
You want to tell the people where you go? Tell the people where you say, if you don't come to Jamaica, this is a nice
well, to be honest, I would want to explore many more places. But I went to a couple places. I didn't even know that the hotel was so equipped like it was in America until I go over to the resort. I get an opportunity with one of my girlfriend in America. She and her family was coming down, so she invited me over, and I spent like 3 nights and 2 days, 3 nights, 3 days in Rio. Anybody know Rio in St. Anne, they know that it's a very up-class resort. And to be honest, when I go over there, it's like I was lost because I never know place like this exists in Jamaica. Where you can just go over there and park your vehicle, you get shuttled maybe 6-7 blocks down to the hotel, and right down there is where you have everything. You don't have to go back out again to the street.
And you go over there, go see Jamaica, and you live in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, you go over there and see Jamaica, and you see Jamaica, and I tell you this, you see Jamaicans who don't want to have nothing to do with their family, or their neighbors, or even their friends where they used to have in Jamaica, over there, enjoying themselves. Because they might come home and the family member might rob them the money. You know that crap was on. Go in the suitcase and take out the things. The nephew go and take the passport and the American passport and go and sell it and take away every cent from them. The horror story that they talk.
But you don't see no man get shot or no man get killed. None of them.
They do get shot, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that. I don't know that shit.
But meaning like say, you know, people them feel more times if I come to Jamaica and if I tip off a plane. Gunman around.
No, sir. You know, and the thing about it is that America scares its own people then. You understand? And Jamaican shouldn't be like that because they're killing people now, but nobody know the amount of people get killed in the election in the 80s. It's way more than this. You used to have like 18, 19, 20 people getting killed in Kingston a day. They find them in the gullies back in the 80s. So what you see going on now, and we have the population is bigger now. So what you see going on now, many have to roll with it. I remember back in the days I lived in Brooklyn, and they have when the young guys they used to get crazy in their head. I don't know what the hell was going on with them. They're just killing everybody. The grocery store they're holding up and killing innocent people and everything like that. And let me tell you, the amount of people they kill in Nastron, they kill a Nastron, they kill the Eastern Parkway, the Utica, 48 Snyder, 90s, Flatbush. Over in New Lots, that's the worst, and places like that. You never hear people in Jamaica be going crazy and then they step. Somebody will get shot dead out there, you know, and step over his ass going to work, you know. In Jamaica, somebody gets shot there, you know, nobody want to walk there until they take up that body. And that body gonna stay there until they used to call it the meat wagon. Kings County have this long Ford van. That the man working the morgue, get the list where to go pick up the body, because when they shoot up the body, and 2 dead inside there, the body might shoot 10 o'clock in the morning, nobody moving that body until maybe about 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. So the van would make rounds, and you have this list everywhere to go pick up the body.
And that's in America where a lot of Jamaicans live.
Jamaica, yes, and they're not crying about that, but they come to Jamaica. Couple shot popping, couple people, and they say, oh, this and
and they that. Never experience it yet. They only hear it.
They only hear it. I don't hear it.
And when they're in America, they see it.
They see it, and they overlook it, and it's gone about the business. No, it's not about. They're not Jamaica. America is bad. There's time when you have Washington D.C. capital murder, Ohio capital murder, North Carolina, Virginia, everywhere was a capital murder. Texas, everywhere. The amount of people getting shot by gun.
And when you're in America, you never yet could go to a neighbor and ask him for nothing.
Next door?
Never.
You don't even know, hey, if you want family to mash up, man, you go to America. Nobody can tell me shit. Anybody hold the family together, let me tell you, it takes so much out of them there afterwards, let me just drop down and dead. Your wife coming in, you going out. What kind of home is that? You don't have no time to... The next thing your wife is on the damn job messing around, or you on the damn job messing around because everything like at home. You know? They talk about family. Family doesn't exist in America no more. Family used to exist back in the days. When you know you have a green card, you get into trouble and you can go and plead to the man and say, listen to me, my family, the woman, I got 3 kids and I can't raise them by myself. No, the American government says, yo, guys got to go home and we take care of the kids. But the damage they do to the kids,
all right, doing that. So right now, this year, I beer family.
I beer family, man. I beer family. Me love it down here, man. When I ready, me get in my vehicle and I go to Alligator Pond, pre-prep my food. And if you go on the WhatsApp, you can see Shabaka one. You roll it down, you see all the fancy food them prepare. And these things I used to do in America, so you ain't no video over here for me. I just jump back in the American style.
So what if somebody see this video and like your house and say, boy, I want to go stay there, you know, cause
well, you know what, honestly, that's something I would have to, because let me tell you what happened. I'm not afraid to tell you. That's something I would have to discuss. We would have to discuss and see come to some arrangement. You know what I mean? Because you have people who tell you say yes they can do this, and when they come it's a different story. And I'm not done with that. You understand what I'm saying? You have to have legit people who decide say yes, that's what it is and that's what it is. You know?
Because you don't want nobody to come here when you have a natural spirit and good ways.
No, I don't want nobody with the negative vibes come around here, man. You know?
Don't care where they coming from.
I don't care. I don't care how much they're gonna pay. Yeah. If they're gonna pay twice, I don't care about your money. Honestly. Because I can still survive without your money. You know?
So if somebody see it and really like your vibes and contact and say, I'd love to go see Lambert.
Yeah, man.
I will contact you.
Yes.
You can give them a nice drive around, tour them.
Yeah, man. I got a lot of friends. You know, I can be honest with you and I can boast on this one. In this neighborhood here, this house accommodates so many foreigners. It's unbelievable. That's a guy look at me and tell me, man, I never see so much American come to one house like how they come to you. Back to back, back to back. You know what I mean? And when they come here, this one thing, they also want to come back because they are secure. You know, and I'm going to make sure and say they're all right. If they want to go to the beach, I'm going to carry them to the beach. If they want to go and eat fish, if they want to go on tour, I'm going to go on tour with them. And when night come, I'm the one going to take them home. I'm the one going to be making sure that they go into the bed. And I'm the one going to be up. In case niggas want to try something. You know what I mean? You'll be surprised to see me. The way they have pens on.
But nobody don't really try nothing like this.
Nobody don't try nothing with me, man. I used to lose things here when it was open and with the workman them. Ever since I fire all the workman them and lockdown and everything is good now, you know? Yeah. So they are this workman. But for somebody to come back, and the thing about it is, maybe if they even think about it, one of those niggas might look at them, the young niggas and say, yo man, don't even bother with that shit, man. JD ain't like that, JD's cool.
Yeah, because when you come, you treat the youth right.
Everybody, man.
So them just take on to you as an elder.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Walk Rasta, man, everything good, man. And anyway, them party, them me did it too.
Yeah.
Right now, cartel I play, me did it too. You understand? I don't lock myself in. And the thing about it is, I'm older than them. The thing about it is this with me, this is now. They say when you go to Rome, you live like Rome. You understand? You come back to Jamaica, you are stocked up and everything like that. They ain't gonna look at you. If your car tell you punch out there, they ain't gonna help you. And they say one gonna hold you up, put a mask over the face and hold you up. You know what I mean? So you have a lot of people come home and when 5 o'clock come, they go and lock in their house and everything like that. That's scary. You know? I didn't make up my mind they have to kill me. Straight up, I don't mind.
And that's just the talking from where you hear from America before you come. But when you come, it was nothing like that.
Nothing like that, man. It's going on, but you know.
It don't have nothing to do with it. People have them thing with them do, but it don't have nothing to do with you or about your business.
Yep. The next thing is this: the system over here is terrible, and you can have 10 kids and the 10 of them. Say you have 10 beautiful, brilliant kids. They go to school and they do good, and you might find 2 of them straight, but the 8 go straight through. Yeah. And the next thing you know, when they come out, they ain't got nothing to do. You know? And then the thing about it is the Chinese taking over Jamaica now. The Chinese taking over. It's another slavery going on now. Whether they like it or not, the next 20 years, what the hell gonna happen to Jamaica?
It's because you think it's because a lot of Jamaicans want to come back home and invest. So if them not invest, somebody else will come and do it.
let me tell you honestly, when we think, and I talk it a lot of time, and you know, some of the guys them get upset. You have a lot of Jamaicans here does not like to pay bills. You understand? And that's something that they should learn to do, because if they don't learn how to pay bills, they will have problem here or there. Because what happens now is this, that they go to America and they're 25, 30 years old and they decide, I never used to pay bills in Jamaica, so why do I want to pay here? So they might go someplace and shacked up someplace with somebody who they know say they have to like a place, and they just keep on moving. In Jamaica now, what they do, they rent your place. And then when they rent your place, they come and they have 2 months, 3 months, everything go. And the next 3 or 4 or 5 months, they're gonna tell you which part of you must go. And next thing they're gonna tell you, so they're gonna shot you. And you can't take that lightly, because they don't know if you have a, if they don't have a gun, they know if you rent it. Everybody. You understand what I mean? So you know, anybody coming to you for renting your place, you can just scream them and scream them. Good. Yeah. And then if they start anything, you have to step up to the plate and make up your mind to die for what belongs to yours. And when they see you like that, they have 2 choices. You have to come and do you something and say, you know what, yo man, go ahead, here, let me pay you your money. Or you just take them into court and make the court deal with it. Because the court don't play with them down here.
So once you go about the right way and take it the gangster way.
Yeah, you'll be alright.
Do it the right way.
Yep. The Chinese come now, and the Chinese get the loan from Jamaica, you know. From the bank and everything over here. They don't come here with those breed of money, man. Look what happened to Mandeville. Everybody's Chinese in Mandeville now. And you know what they do? They buy out the whole damn building. And they start sending these kids, the little kids, to the best school in Mandeville. Where we can't even, we don't want to afford. Because we're not going to make the sacrifice to send our kids there. And when we send our kids there, they don't even want to get the education either. But these Chinese that you see come inside of this here, I don't even think they are Chinese, because they don't look like Chinese. I think they are the ones they call like the wetbacks. They call them wetbacks, you know, chinks. Wetbacks is for the Mexicans. They call them chink in America.
But don't you think if a lot of Jamaicans that come back home and like invest, we'd have more Jamaican owning more things? I mean, the one them out there probably not the capital to start, but...
Yeah, but they're scary, you see, because...
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's just that is a big problem too.
You see, the government playing too, because they could curb the crime rate in Jamaica, you know what I mean? You would have find petty thief and everything, but the dangerous crime rate, they could curb it. And the reason is this, that they have to set laws and books, man. You know, you can't have a law that's 60, 70 years old running Jamaica now. You understand? You gotta have laws that's put down and enforce the way it's supposed to be enforced. You understand? You gotta know that a kid growing up, you know, he gonna do crazy things because he go through craziness. But like after he reach 20, you gotta make him know, say, listen, your chances stop here. You know what I mean? Anything overhit, don't ask for leniency. You know what I mean? You're gonna be dealt with like a real adult, not like an adult, but a real adult. You see? And another thing, they take whipping out of school. That shouldn't be out of school. There's a difference between abusing a kid and whip his butt, make him know that, listen to me, you have to change your ways. And then if you find out say that kid that's born bad, he won't change, you gotta find some camp to put him and let him stay over there and don't mix with the rest of the world. Because some of them not gonna change. You understand what I mean? They're programmed to be gangster for the rest of their life. So before you make them kill 2, 3 people, the first one they kill at that age, you say, listen to me, I'm gonna put you over here. And the public know that you're gonna make license plate for the rest of your life. Alright, simple. Some people say I'm wicked. Just hang them in the park. You got a beautiful park down man over there. You kill an old lady, 65-year-old, and never chop you and rape her too? No. You cannot eat, you cannot live. You're gonna die. So the minute you jump Miss Mackie fence, you must remember something gonna kick in your head. I don't want to see happen to Tom with his tongue long out and in mouth. Happen to me, so you jump back the fence and go in place. You understand?
Sure.
Break the necks. I'm simply telling you, break the necks. And you curve. But then you can't go all that way if a man kill a man tonight and in 2 days time because he might know man with money. The man with money pass on some money, we can do a job for him and then he go bail him. You kill a man, you have to make up your mind to stand the consequence. You understand what I say? You shouldn't even run. Just go give up yourself. I mean, they deal with you, whatever. You know? But right now, maybe come in my ear. I'm telling somebody, the way me I enjoy myself, I really say they're going to kill me, I go heaven right away, right now. Because, you see, bills Business with the little one we have now, thank God. You see that overhead bill there, the rent and the mortgage in America there. You have to get up with the sun, winter, in the winter. And they think they go look it. And I want to use the thing and you're going to get back nothing funny to the road boy. Nothing. So when I tell you, I not tell every man to come to Jamaica, but I tell every man to have a piece of Jamaica. You know? If you don't buy it now, if you don't want it, if you ain't coming back here to live, get your title. The next 15, 20 years, trust me, real estate, your money gonna wind up higher than how if you invest it into America. Because the company can come and look at you and tell you, say, listen to me, we gone down in everything gone. But in Jamaica, they can't tell you, say, your land move. Move your land going, me have a title. If I even man build something on it and you have your title registered. If you have a diagram with your name on it and you have to pay your tax and the man go build on it, better answer to the court and the court come down on him hard. And if you go talk a house in the land, if you man shop you own the plaza or the house you build on it, he come beg you to sell him back. At 10 or 20 times the price because you know same plaza when you put on it more than that. And you can't look on him and say, no, more my land. Go deal with the man who sell you that land there. And you take the plaza and they're right up for it and make real estate selling and say, sell it and send your money come a bank. You don't have to come back to Jamaica again. You don't have to.
And they have a lot of gated community anyway.
Yeah man, they have beautiful place out here man. Over in Trinidad and everything like that. I hear a couple guys from overseas they come and buy their house now. They're getting ready to come home a couple of years from now. Over in Trinidad, over there's place with development. And the thing about them get better policing more than we over here. Yes, they get better policing, man, because those places you don't hear no crime going on, man. You can't come in the complex unless, just like America, you have to give your name, which unit you're going, they have to call, verify before you come inside here. And they locked in by themselves over there, they drive out and drive in. And
anybody free to live in the regular rural area, if they come from a area that's bad or they don't want to go back there, they can
go up. Yeah man, you have a lot of them building now, you know. They build them most to the sea coast. And the people them can enjoy the sea, you know. Man, so that's the way it is, but man, I'm glad I stopped paying bills. You credit the damn vehicle, you gotta pay it for 4 years. When you check it, the vehicle when you buy, you pay for it 3 times. You're 30 years old, they give you a mortgage for 30 years, they say yes, I own a house. 2 months before you fall sick and can't pay for it, they come and take. You know the mortgage man look at me and tell me, one mortgage man, not the one that we bought the house in America. He said, let me tell you something, Cowan, you don't understand. When we make up those papers, the first thing that goes against your file, before you even pay, is the repossession paper. No date on it. Nothing but it's prepared, put in there. Just to put in a date and take it to the judge for him to stamp it. And if they found out that you paid the house, you buy it for 30 years and you spend it for 25 years. Let me tell you, they come in for the house faster than if you didn't pay for it only for a year. That house is on the first list. Because they know how much interest they can make out of that again. Top value.
So like when you're cooking and them thing there, you cook indoor or outdoor?
We cook indoor and we cook outdoor. I gone back to mostly my wood fire.
Yeah.
You know, my wood fire give rice and peas the best flavor. It bring out the coconut in it, it bring out the seasoning in it, it bring out the taste, it bring out the shelliness in it. And then when you look at the rice, you can see the coconut cream glistening on the rice. You know? Yeah. So when you cook out there, it's better off. You know what I mean?
So your favorite food you have to cook?
Well, a lobster I don't know, you know. That's straight lobster and fish right now, you know. And if you check it, you find out say lobster and fish around it and skunk.
Yeah.
The conch. You get that, you get the conch. I mean like the sea crab, not like the land crab.
But you know say people see that video and I want you cook for them.
Yeah man, they can come in and me have a second you know. Him good too.
Yeah.
He's very good, very excellent guy. When he cook is something too. Because we have a party you know. When my family them come home, my kids them come home, we have a party, and when my friends them come home too, we have a party.
So how much kids you have?
Well, you know say I was about 6 now, you know.
Okay.
Could have been more than that still, but then, you know, the foul play business there. I have 30, 38, 27, 26, 25, 26, 25, and we got two-year-old.
Wow. So where did you get, you had that 2-year-old since you came to Jamaica?
They don't must,
After you have the belly problem?
After me have all the belly problem.
You couldn't eat?
Yeah, man. I'm here 58 now.
Wow.
So when you're 58 and you're still making a healthy baby, you know, say, everything in your body change. And I haven't been to the doctor. I only go and take checkup. I haven't have a sickness to go to the doctor for 10 years or 11 years since I've been here.
So that means you use a lot of herbs where you have, like, meaning like where you learn from your parents?
No, and you know, so I don't really mess with them, you know. The only thing we drink Cersei, we drink ginger, garlic, and aloes.
Okay.
Yeah, you mess with aloes a lot.
So what the aloes good for?
Them say the aloes good, that the other one them say the aloes is good to cleanse your blood, you know.
Okay.
Because it have that bitter taste. If you notice, they used to use it and drench the cow them back then. And when even the bitter wood, you know, is a good thing, you know, anything bitter. Because when they used to drench the cow back then, the cow have a lot of ticks on it. So when you go through your blood system and cleanse the blood system, and the ticks them couldn't handle, you know, whatever coming out of that, they couldn't handle it because, you know, so the ticks them a parasite and suck the blood. So then they just drop off of the cow them completely. That's how strong those things are.
Oh, so basically the blood now comes sweet again to them?
It purifies the blood.
Wow.
That's one thing we know because my daddy drench. You see, there one broke down donkey one time and drenched the donkey, and one time you look on the donkey, yo man, I tell you couldn't believe him come back strong and healthy like now. If that break a puppy dog you have now, and you give the castor oil, you gotta be careful with that too, that's a seed. Yeah, that will kill you. You have to give him a little castor oil, man, and him purging body, man. Clean as whiskey.
Wow.
The mamas them used to use it for when the little girls them used to stagnant. We call them stagnant. You know, say then they on one level and now move. And them are like, yo, you tell you if you step up a little bit, you know what?
Sunshine.
I'll call him and see if he in the home. If he in the home, we carry it out.
In time, you know.
Alright.
Yes, man, we're back with Lambert again, you know, get a phone call.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, man.
Well, but that's surprising to know, say, you're there America and you get the pill them. Where that come like say, if you did, that means if you never come home, you know, and did you take them the pill, you know, we would not talk to you, you know.
That's why that cripple up, man. Because I know pill, you know. No,
and then you come down here and fix up yourself, fresh food, and have a 2-year-old.
Big old bouncing boy, I think. How do you want? I want to find say,
wow.
This is when I get more of my time, more than all of my kids, them, apart from my daughter.
Yeah.
But this one I get a whole heap of time because when you're there fun, you have to dip on the move at all time. You say now time to spend with your picnic.
Wow.
No, this one now me babysit him during the day.
Wow.
So me you are band with him.
So yeah, it's like you get a beauty of a grandson and a son at the same time.
At the same damn time. One shot.
Wow.
That you couldn't do America because I would still work for pay for care and house.
Wow.
Yeah, and wait for the pension.
Or probably mother would have put you on child support.
Well, my father would have to try to put and keep me out of the house tired of me and all that sitting there. Oh, stop, baby. Yeah, alright, that's all, man. I make myself very good. You gotta make yourself comfortable too. You can't wait on anybody else to do it, you know. Whatever you feel within you and you get that push, you know, you go ahead. The only thing you can do is feel, you know. And when you feel, you have to just get up back and just move again. Because I learned that. Feel drop to the bottom a lot of times in America, way down to the bottom. There was one time that I'm in an apartment, you know, and life was so rough in America with me. Nobody knowing that. It's about 2 days I haven't eaten, you know. And I make up my mind whenever I hit the road again and do what I have to do and set up myself. I would never let that happen to me again. Before that, I asked God, I said, God, give me 10 years and I'm going home.
And how long now you been here?
10 years. And I stay 8 over there and there's 8 more years over there and then pack up and come home. And right now, I'm here 11 years and things that I bring home, I still have it around me. Still, I don't in the position that I have to liquidate it and say I'm hungry, you know. And my food come from America regular, you know. A barrel come.
So your kids them support you?
Yeah. What do you man say the barrel them come and if you go you can video around the yard them, you see the barrel them. You see the around the yard where they sell the food.
But me ask you a question. You come home and think. So you ever talk to none of your kids them to say, okay, let's build a house down here or live down here? You ever talk none of your kids them interested in that?
Well, Well, the one that I take was born in Jamaica and I take back to America. That's her house down there.
Oh, so she building a house?
She building a house down there.
So she following her father?
Yeah, my father, and I do good. Because she's a multi-millionaire now at her age.
Wow.
You understand? And I tell her, I say, only you can break yourself now.
Wow.
Nobody else can break you. Because she don't make nobody get close to her.
Wow.
That's the thing about it. I
So
can
you teach her well?
Yeah. I can tell you one thing, the only person who spends her money is her daddy.
Wow.
And when she see her daddy spend her money, she's very happy and very comfortable. And thank God, she give me my gas money and she give me my pocket money and everything. Thank God I didn't have to dip in her tilly that she have to jump through some window in foreign after she work her money. This, yo, me tell you something, there's some family out here, wicked, Joey.
So basically, them just have to find somebody strong. Or trustworthy.
Trustworthy.
And once they find that person that live here,
you good to go.
They're good to go.
Yeah, man, they're good to go, man. They can stay in America and make themselves a millionaire, you know. And the thing about it, as I say, you know, all they have to do is buy lands and get the title, you know. And I choose not to go back to college, and I choose not to go back in anything deep in America. When I didn't go there, I couldn't do it, and I choose not to. Because from I go to 1982, I started crying till me and them sell like eggs. Like you can look right here, I want to go back home.
Wow.
You understand? And it was free then. After I started to move around, I get to love it. I used to love America. But when I started to think seriously now about my future, what I'm gonna have is this: I'm working for a loan, a house in America. When I reach a certain age, I don't finish pay for this house. How is it gonna work out? I started to think twice.
Wow.
And so what I do is this now: I just save my little money. I don't bank no money. I don't put no money in no credit union. I save my little money. I come to Jamaica. I sell a little piece of land for a price. I go ahead and buy it. Take time, get the title for it, and start them up. And surprising, that land that I buy 2,000 is what, 20 years ago. You buy for 900, you get 900,000 out here that time. 20 years after the fact, you get evaluated and you're looking at your about 40,000 US.
Wow.
You tell me, 4 million, 5 million. And like, damn, if you take 10,000 out of it, you just round it off at $1,000 in 20 years. Your money make $3.5 million, that's 35,000 US or more. And they check it at 1,000 to a million.
Yeah.
10,000 to a million.
Wow.
So if you buy 5 pieces of land in Jamaica and you get your 5 title in your hand, go ahead and get the title. You have a better chance of getting your money when you're ready to. But nobody can go around you. NHT out here now, Jamaica advanced a lot. Because things that I throw in the garbage in America, if I didn't know that Jamaica did advance like that, I would put it in the barrel and bring it home.
Wow.
You understand?
Yeah.
So Jamaica is advanced now, and if you have 5 pieces of land and you buy them and wait for 20 years, and you spend 50,000, buy them. It's better than buying a house. If I should live my life over and go back to America, I would rent one of the house on wheels. I wouldn't make a family in America neither. You understand? It's not good to have a family in America, base family in America. No. It was better for you to have a family in Jamaica and you have your house in Jamaica, everything in Jamaica, and you get the visa, they move up and down, wait until the kids are reaching the teen. 1 year before high school, you snatch them up. No, you have to snatch up the kids then before that because Jamaican kids that will corrupt your damn kids or they will corrupt themselves. So you have to snatch them up from early and bring them over there. No, you bring them over there, babysitter killing you. You have to run home from work when you could. So you better leave, you make your wife get your visa then. Leave her here with your kids then, if you want to stay at home. When you come home, you make she go up. Even if you rent an apartment, she go handle her things in America. She come home, you go up. Until the kids have reached a certain age and decide what they're going to do. They're going to go to university here, if they choose that, are they going to learn a trade, are they going to go to America. Then you can leave one of them at the house because they reach a certain age and mold them, you know? And you mold them. And you'll be alright. You know, but having them in America, man, you can't discipline your kids. Your wife maybe start fooling around, you can't even talk to your damn wife, she feel like she own you. You know, she feel like she own you. Tell you, get out of my house. It's your house now, want to my money. Oh, your money that you put in the house is for the kids them. The other half is mine. You're out in you're floating outside. You're out there. You're out there. You see what I mean?
True.
And not even that, if you still want to stay home, the thing about it is now, the woman have you in a position that you can't even go out and have a drink. You see, you're locked in because you're afraid to go out.
Wow.
You're afraid that when you come home, wife, your face gonna swell.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
And
yes.
Is that like you're going out to do something? That some of us don't do. But not like you're going out, you just want to go out and you just enjoy yourself.
Yes.
Have a time by yourself. When you come in face well, back turn to you, you can't touch me. You touch me, I call 911. Now you build a house in Jamaica is a different thing. Because they come with this stupid law over here that after 4 years, half of your house belongs to them. So you do this, if you find out it's like that, you make them woman them know, say, listen to me. Like me, this house here does not belong to me. They have two choices, either run or stay. This house belongs to my daughter. I am keeping and caring it. So you have to be smart. And you have to find one of the kids that are smart and know that this kid will hold down what you have. So you put the house in your dad's name. This house and all the contents belongs to my daughter. So you can come here, you can live, you can enjoy yourself. But don't feel like when the 4 years up every year you can come and claim anything. You can't claim anything. You have to be right with me, equal with me, and then me, you work out something. But you can't claim this building here. None of this property you can't claim. At least nothing that I have you can't claim. Me you would have to build it.
Yes. So we go walk around and give them a tour and show them around and thing. Can I show them how the place is nice and clean.
Alright, very sure.
And see that
we're still doing construction. As you look, you can see the mall up here. Mall there, the brick there, still working. They got garage 1, garage 2. And I live like the trailer park Americans, where everything must be in this section that when I'm ready to do my work, I can find it. You see, I got an outside toilet, I got an outside face basin, I got all my tools here.
And this just leave open like that, no door on it?
No door.
Wow.
No door.
See people, the man have everything.
Then you got, if you look down in that hole right there, they're doing construction in there now. That's another apartment. Wow. Somebody must pay me rent for that one. All right. And then you can see around the back here. We're still doing some work and still have some work. That unit is finished down there. And the left hand side they have the own entrance and everything. And this unit now we're working on.
That's it. Man, I live Jamaica good life.
Yeah man. Just do what we have to do. So when we get the night, when we finish that unit down there, we're gonna have another tenant. Another tenant down there. Tired of paying rent. Somebody must pay rent. Somebody must pay rent for me to me now. I pay enough rent. All right.
See, place so nice, man.
We have a little way to go. I'm not rushing it. If you don't finish, my daughter will finish it. But right now, I'm just taking my time, eating, enjoying life. See? That's my little garden. Really got. Yeah, see what I'm telling you about the bars them. See the bars them there? It's bring home my food. Come show them around here. See some more around here. So I'm not here hungry. And if you look over in there, you see somewhere over down there. I give away, give people food here because I don't want it spoiled. Then you got, that's the back of my shop right here. You got the storage, you got the bathroom, you got the room back, tools back there. Then you got, this is where my cooking take place. Here goes my firewood, just like we used to do it back in the days. Here goes my fireside.
So you say I live in Jamaica, good life?
Jamaica nice man, nice man. You get away from all the rush and the headache in Jamaica. Come sit down and...
So Lambert, tell them why they have to come home.
Wait, me only can tell them say we can have good life for Jamaica, you know. Good and healthy life they are Jamaica, we can live it.
So you say health before wealth?
Yeah, you have to be. Because I come down here and see so much men with so much money. Billions of dollars, no millions, billions of dollars. Health is not there. And if you don't have health, the most important thing is health. Me I tell you, health. Because if you have the money and the doctor, them will eat it and they know say you have it, they're going to name that. You understand me? I say, but when you have your health, you don't have to go on doctor. See there, pepper.
Look on them pretty pepper you Pete.
Yeah, pepper.
And I just put it down
And
just
say,
like that.
see there, you got the scallion right there, so. Just juke it in a flower spot. And if you look at this right here, there's a tomato right there growing right there.
Just
and we
like
guarantee
that.
you will get food off of it too.
Place just clean.
Yeah. And over there, so you will find the orchid now, the orchid them over there. Over there, so. By the time it goes down there, I think I'm gonna put a top on this and then we're gonna have, when we have a party, you don't have to put that you have that tent, you know?
Yeah. So people we here with Lambert, you know, and when we see more of Lambert again.
Yeah, man, because we're gonna have the cookout.
Yes, man.
And that you will see how we fling on the food.
Yes, so one of those
and then
people in the comments and you know, you know how I feel about Lambert and it's a nice vibes. You know what I say? We're with the Fairfield Mountain.
Yep, Manchester.
Yes.
Up in
Enough
the hills,
breeze.
Enough breeze, man.
See?
And enough oxygen. You see all those trees? When you get up in the morning, you get all the oxygen from there.
See, man have a nice gate. Nobody not come through the gate.
You can go around, you go right front to Chubby. Get the front. So you all know them.
See?
Yeah, the grocery store and the bar around there. I come in, everybody eating the magic. And the Janko buys everything.
So people, this is Lambert, this is Fairfield Mountain. See? Until next time, you know, tune in. Jamaica, good life.